What is up, guys? Mark Jarvis here. So today I'm going to show you the tricks, what to do with your fidget spinner, as you see about it. I'm going to speak a little bit louder so now you can hear me a little bit. So here's the first trick, the basic spin, as you see, and you can do of one finger with it. You can hold only one finger with it. You can wait till it stops. Okay. The waiting, spin with only one finger. Alright. And it's ending. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. So, another trick is the punching spin, which is you must do it with here, with your punch. Right, it's on top of your hand. Woo! The third trick. Stinky toe, minky toe. I'm gonna spin with my stinky toe. Oh, I'm just gonna take my sock off for a second. Okay, here's my little foot, and it was too big. Oops, son of a biscuit. But anyways, let's do it again. Oh, you can almost do it. It's a chance of doing it perfectly. You need to make it the top of it. Make it spin really fast. So I can almost fly on it. I'm just gonna put back my sock. It's about 10% chance you can do it on your toe. And there's only 1% chance from doing your little toe. Okay. There is one. This is like the same, but just only one big finger, but there's only two of it. It's like ups and down. Upside down. Another trick is you can do it on your knee. Look at that, just on your knee. Ooh! Oh. And you can also do like this, by doing like this. And you can stop it if you want, like this. Boink, doink, doink. So that is the only trick I know what you can do with your fidget spinner. And you can make it also fly a little bit. So I hope you guys learned about those tricks. I only know about that much. I'll make more parts if I will train more. So thanks for watching and bye!